So let's look at this question here, which is on transformation of graph. Let's see how we can do this proficiently. So given that the graph equation y equals fx undergoes in succession the following transformation: a translation of one unit in the direction of the positive x-axis, and a stretch parallel to the x-axis parallel to a factor of half, and a reflection in the y-axis. You are told the resulting equation, so you're asked to find the original equation. So I think the easiest way is to find the backward configuration. So reflection about y-axis going forward would also be the same thing, which is to reflect about y-axis. So what you're going to do is actually just substitute x as negative x. Okay, that is the first one. Because reflection about the y-axis, you need all the x coordinates to be flipped. Okay, so if any question, please refer to the notes in our notes. So now B, a stretch parallel to the x-axis factor of half, meaning now you're gonna multiply a factor of 2. So you're gonna replace x with x over 2 for B prime. Okay, meaning working backwards is C prime. Here, translation of what you need in the positive x direction, this is to replace x. So you're gonna go in the negative direction when you reverse it. So this case here will be replace x with x plus 1. Okay, so that's how you do this part here. So this will be y equals to, okay, y equals to then after which you're just going to do this is C prime, to replace x with x with minus x, because you're reflecting about the y-axis. So this case here will be y equals to 2 this will be y equals to, okay, then after which replace x with x over 2, that is your B prime, which is y equals to 2x over 2 x over 2 plus 1. So just expand this. This will be y, and that will be, just expand it. Okay, then replace x with x plus 1. I think that's pretty okay. So the last one will be replace x with x plus 1. Be y equals to, this is x plus 1 over 2. And what you're going to get is actually just okay. So I'm just going to multiply top and bottom with 2, because that will be easier to get rid of the denominator. These are all manipulations. I think it's pretty okay. So y is equals to so this is actually, the original curve is x squared plus 4 over x squared plus 1. Okay, so that's how you do this part here. I think this is pretty okay. Any question or comments, please do let us know, and I'll see you in the next question.